this is invitation promotion. All I'll do is just to click on this X and it will go out. Alright, this video I'll be showing us how to mine Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a good coin in cryptocurrency. I'll show us how to mine at least 1 Dogecoin per day from this app. So once you just sign in, this is what you'll be seeing in this this is your dashboard. So when below it, look at the Doge, look at the total Doge I have here in dollar, which is 0.07. So this is my referral link. So you can copy it and paste your friend you want to join. You want to know how to join. Alright, I'll just go and show us how to mine from this site. So once you log in, just click on this miner shop up here. When you click on miner shop up here, it will now take you to the place you have to mine. And it will now take you to this point that you have to mine. Okay, look at the options here. The first one is for free, then from the second one down is when the one you mine when you deposit some amount here. So right now for the video we're mining for free. So when it pays us, we can now go ahead and start investing to mine from the other others you can see below. So the first one is for free. Just go ahead and click on buy. When you click on this buy here in the yellow icon here, so when you click on it, it will not take us to where we have to buy more coins, where we have to mine the free coins. That comes out after clicking on buy. So what you have to do is just to scroll down here. You see quality. You are mining one, then you can just go ahead and click put in your password. You say password, enter transaction password. So I'm going to put my own transaction password here. Typing it, I'll click on make order. So that's how to get it. Then once I I'll show you how to get. Okay, look at it now. They have paid me some amount of Doge. So I'll be showing you my balance. So I will show you my balance. So for you to create this transaction pin is when you are signing up to this account. Then there will be a space for you to create a transaction pin, which will be used to get your pin, to withdraw your coins, and to do some other necessary things inside. So let me go straight to my account and show you the earnings. So that's just a simple way to earn from this site. This is just a Doge miner. So you can go ahead and buy any plan of your choice. So guys, that's all you have to know about these Doge coins. But before I'll show you how to log out, I'm about to sign up in this site. I will just go straight and show you how to withdraw. So when you reach accumulate a lot of Doge, you go ahead and withdraw. So in withdrawing, I'll show you. You just click on this withdraw. When you click on this withdraw icon, it will take you to this place. You have to put in your Doge wallet address. So you click on Doge wallet address, depending on any crypto, any coins, any account you're using. Copy your address and paste here. Then you put the amount of coins you want to withdraw. But if you want to withdraw all the old Doge, you click on all. When you click on all, it will appear here. Then you go straight okay, this is their charge if you want Doge, because I know they'll be giving like 1 Doge each day. So for you to do it for a week, you're having 7 Doge. So when they give you like that, you can now go ahead and click on this withdraw. So when you click on this withdraw, then they will transfer your money in the before 24 hours. You'll be receiving your pay from this site. So that's just the simple things about this site. It's a straightforward site. Then I'll be showing us how to sign up. In case you just need the referral link, you just click on sign up and fill in your details, because you'll be putting your transaction pin. So that's very important. So I'll just click on log out now. When I click on log out, it will help us signing in, and I'll show you how to log in. So alright, this sign out. So I'll just click on register. When I click on register now I'll show you what to fill in this point. You have to write in your email. Write this capture here. This capture is just a number like this one you can see here, 7116. Just put it here. Then when you put your email, you click on send code. They will send you a code to your email. Go straight to your email and write that code here. So when they send the code to your email, this invitation code, you'll be seeing a number here. If you use the link, I will send it to you. So make sure you just leave that number like that. Don't change it, don't remove it, just leave it here and click on next. When you click on next, then they will take you to this page that you have to log in. Then click on it, they'll take you to the page you have to log in. Once you log in, you start mining your free Doge. So that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please, I beg you, just click the like icon there. Just give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and see you in my next video, guys.